This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Bobby.lawrence. Beautifully remodeled bungalow by the current owner in turnkey condition. Shows beautifully inside and out with pride of ownership. Newly painted exterior 2017, replaced roof 2015, HVAC 2016, remodeled kitchen and bath, replaced windows 2007, privacy fence 2010. Rebuilt front and back porch 2017 and 18. LG. Master walk-in closet. Landscaped backyard with paver patio plus side meditation patio. Shed as is. Close proximity to naval base, interstate access. No flood insurance required. For more information, review the details below.